See if I can get y'all a little bit of this. They are loving this weather right now. I guess the wind from that hurricane is giving them something to play with up there. Nice and kitted up. Took me a little bit to whip them into shape, but they finally got right. Shouldn't have started recording right when they went up, and they was really tearing it up there. Looks like they coming on in. Every time I think they about to come in, they take back off again. Oh man, I don't know if this camera's picking up them rolls. Give me some. Give me some. I like to see him with that. You hit the top of that. Oh. Yeah, buddy. They go to rolling like that right there. They all break out of formation, but they all tighten back up here. That's how you know you got a good kid. Tighten up. Boom. Look at that. You're spinning. You're doing more spinning than you are rolling. Put you in the other box, you keep it up. Yeah, I got some spinners too. I just enjoy the birds. Enjoy them all. I got them now. Let me see what we got down here. 3 black and white Polish right there. That's the other. He the big dog. Big dog around here. Big dog, big dog. Y'all know them Jersey Giants back there in the back. What else we got? We got some more over here. It's my favorite little fella right here. I call him Mister. Yep, there go the goats. Alvin and Winslow. Winslow, the black one. A little mischievous. Look at my little dog, Miyagi. No, it's my little munchkin. My little micro pig, what they call them. Well, that's it. Birds still up doing their thing. I got some.